Originally, the Charles Schumann Schwarzen WALLFISCH Saloon, one of 17 saloons in early downtown New Braunfels. Later, that building would be occupied by a church. Prisoners in the county jail located next door could often be heard singing along with parishioners. The original wood frame building was replaced in 1924, housing the Herald, the first English newspaper in town, before returning to its roots as a pub. The Brauntex wasn't the only theater in early downtown New Braunfels. There was also the Palace Theater, which burned down and later became Myron's. And the Capitol Theater, which was finished on January 2nd, 1925 by A.C. Moeller at a cost of $25,000. The Capitol played such early classic films as Northwest Passage and Newt Rockne, while entertaining the masses with Saturday serials. Over the years, the Capitol Theater has been renovated many times and has housed an assortment of businesses. The Kamal Flower Shop next door was even a fruit stand in a former life.